guys, welcome back to episode 6 of Snapshot Medical Kitchen's Healthy Recipes. Today we're going to be making lentil soup with chicken sausage, and the reason why I'm making this is because I want to talk about fiber. So lentils and black beans, which are both in this recipe, have a lot of fiber. Fiber does a lot of good things for you. There's two different kinds of fiber, insoluble and soluble. Soluble fiber is good because it helps slow down the digestive process. Kind of bulks up the feces in the intestine, and kind of helps with digestion, and it helps bind up cholesterol in your intestines so you don't reabsorb it into the bloodstream. Same thing with sugar for diabetes as well, helps prevent that. And then you also have the insoluble fiber, which kind of speeds it along, allows that digestive process to happen throughout the entire colon and small intestine. And also, soluble fiber is also good for the bacteria in your intestines that help digest things and break stuff down. So a lot of good stuff that comes from fiber. This meal is very high in fiber, and it's a healthy way to do so. So this is the first time I'm making it too. So let's see how it turns out and if it's good. All right, so the first step that we're going to do is in your pot, we're going to saute 1 onion, and I have 5 sausage links of chicken sausage. I'm just using the pre-cooked ones because it's a little easier, but you want to saute these just so they get a little bit of crisp on them and have that nice crunch, and make sure the onions are clear and sauteed. That way, when you're going to be boiling the soup, you're not going to get that traditional crunch. So we're going to let that go for a little bit, and then we'll start adding in some stuff. All right, so once the sausage and onions are pretty much done, get that nice crisp to them, just going to add the rest of the ingredients for like the meat of the soup, So we're going to have 1/4 of an apple diced up, a can of corn, and a smaller can of black beans. So now we're just going to mix that, let it cook for a little bit, and then we're going to add the broth and the lentils. All right, now that that's been simmering together for a little bit of time, we're going to add the spices, the broth, and the lentils. So we're going to have the ancho chili powder, cumin, citrus pepper, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 1/2 pound of lentils. So the instructions for this is to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer until the lentils are soft. That's lentil soup. Pretty easy to make. You just throw some stuff into a pot with some broth and kind of, make sure you cook the lentils properly, fully, and make sure that they're soft. One interesting fact about lentils, though, is that they do cross-react to peanut allergies. So if you're allergic to peanuts, I'd probably avoid lentils as well. So let's see how it tastes.